Hello, this is James from illogics.com, and I am doing a review of the SmartQ5. This is a close-up view of the SmartQ5 English version 2.0. It just was released. As you can see, it takes a couple of seconds to boot up. It runs a version of Ubuntu, which is the Mojo handheld project. As you can see, the background is similar to an N800 Memo background. I can make the text a little closer. As you can see, the desktop itself is very similar to a regular Ubuntu installation. You have My Documents, you have the web browser, ebooks. This is let me see if I can get in a little closer. You have this right here is for chatting. It's a messenger program for Linux. You will also see the same version or similar version on the Nokias. Let's see, audio player, disk. This is a shortcut it places on your desktop for accessing your SD card. The manufacturer specs that the SD card is capable of up to 32 gig. I currently have only tried 8 gig, but it does accept SDHC rather well. Let's see, you have your image viewer, PPP, Adobe Acrobat, Bluetooth, calculator, mail, notepad. I'll show you the browser. Now, one thing I did notice is that it's a single-click environment. So you literally click once, and there will be a kind of a delay between when the application starts. This is probably because this product was just released earlier this year and hasn't had enough development time as far as web browser, things of that nature. One thing I have noticed is that when you open applications, that sometimes the application itself will appear faster if you've opened and closed it previously. This most likely is some sort of caching that they're using. Let me try again. See if I can get it to go. There we go. As you can see, the browser is rather useful. Real easy to use. It's similar to a regular desktop installation. So what you'll find is that sometimes the actual image will appear lower on the screen, which is not accessible. This is probably an update or such that can resolve that later on. I will check to see if the plus or minus buttons function the same. It doesn't appear as though they do. Right here, as you can see, is you have this minimize button, which will minimize it. I made some changes on the desktop by holding down the mouse key